Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Simone if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I depot some of my MAC blushes. So I've got, oh sorry, I'm on a handheld today. I have a bunch of my MAC blush here. I also am going to be depotting a bronzer. And I might leave the highlighters for another day. And I have one Tarte one as well. So I'm gonna be popping them into these today. So I hope you guys like this. I'm gonna do it a bit of a voiceover, just because it's a lot easier for me to sort of do it on the desk with the camera facing down. But what you'll need is, I'm gonna use my hair straightener, and then I'm gonna use, sorry. I'm going to use a piece of baking paper, and I'm just going to pop that over my hair straightener just on the bottom of my palette, just so I don't get any sort of product or like glue or plastic or anything stuck to my hair straightener. I broke the first one that I was doing, so I'm just gonna reset that and press it, and then I will show you guys how I depot them. It was pretty easy, it didn't take too long, but maybe about a minute, and it came out pretty well, and then I dropped it. That's how I broke it, so. But I'll show you guys how I did that in a minute. Okay, so today I'm gonna be depotting the MAC ones, and I've just gone and done one so you guys can see how they come out. So this bit here just comes straight out of here, and then you pop this bit here. You can see how it's melted in the hair straightener. You pop that on top of the hair straightener, and then this comes out. I did drop this after I got it out, so let's hope we have better luck with the rest. So I'm just gonna do my MAC ones first. So grab my palette, and I get a spatula. This has got a little bit of glue on it from the other one. And I'm just gonna pop that in here. And I'm just gonna flick this open. There we go. And that, maybe next time I'll put my finger over it. So that's just popped out. And then I'm gonna put my hair straightener, it's already on and hot. And I'm just gonna put this on here. It only takes a few minutes. I have a pair of tweezers here as well. You can see that it gets a line from the straightener. So I'm just gonna rotate it. This hair straightener gets really hot, but it only has one setting. This is a VS hair straightener, so it's just a cheap one. I didn't wanna use my good one just in case. And then I'm just gonna flip this over on the desk because it is a little bit warm. And just in the center, I'm just gonna push down. See if this is coming out. I'm gonna put that on a bit longer. It doesn't, not popping out as easy as the other one did. So I'm just gonna let that get nice and hot. And you can see how this is bending, and it's popping straight out. Now the palette is pretty warm, and it's got glue on the back. That's how it's stuck to the spatula. So I'm just gonna leave that on the edge of my, ooh. I'm gonna leave it upside down so the glue doesn't stick to everything. And I'm just gonna put that back here. Now, I don't think that this one is gonna work quite as well. This is a extra dimension blush. So I am just gonna leave this one for now, and I might do a quick Google and double check whether I can do that, because I don't wanna break it, because I use this one on like everybody. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing, but this is a, I think it's technically a bronzer. So I've seen people do this with a bobby pin on these ones. I'm literally just digging that straight under. There we go. I'm gonna pop that on here. I'm also gonna see if I can do the same with this inglot one, but I'm not sure because it feels like there's a big distance between here and there. Just running my spatula around the side. I also have another blush here that I've already depotted. That one is a Dubious Place blush. I don't know if this one's gonna work. So on this one I can feel that I've broken through, but this here is the plastic on the inside that I need to melt to get that one out. So I might have to get the hairdryer for this one. I can see that it's lifting a little bit on the inside. Just don't know if it's enough to get it out. Okay, so I'm gonna go and get the hairdryer for this one and see if I can soften it that way. Just gonna put all this to the side. For the inglot ones, I recommend just using the hairdryer. It takes 2 to 3 minutes on high heat and then that pops straight out. Perfect. That's it. Now, I just wish that I could depot my MAC one, but it doesn't have a casing like these ones do. It's not in a little tub, so I don't want to break it. But yeah, so that's how easy it is to depot. And now I have these all in one spot. And I have a few like smaller eyeshadow things that I can like pop in here as well to fill the gaps if I want, so I don't have to take one of those as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I depot my MAC shadows. It's really not a long process. I just pop them on the hair straightener for about a minute, maybe 2 minutes. And yeah, and then I just pop them all straight into one of these. So I'm really happy with how I depotted that. I have some other palettes that I can use, like I could swap them around and pop, like I've got some in here, so I could make that a bit smaller if I wanted. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that quick tutorial on how to depot your MAC shadows. You can use the same process that I used for this bronzer. It's the same process that you'll use for the MAC Studio Fix powders. I haven't decided if I'm gonna depot those yet. I've done it with my personal one and I know that it works just fine, but I'm just not sure if I'm ready to pop those in a palette just because the pans are a little bit bigger. And I think they might actually take up more space in the way that my kit's laid out at the moment than it would be to like have them in a palette. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I depot my MAC products. If you did, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell because I'll be having a bunch of depotting videos coming up. I reorganized my eyeshadows and made them into like smaller palettes. And then I topped up all of my foundations and made my foundation pack a little bit smaller as well. So yeah, if you guys like that video, please give my channel a big thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.